All right, my marketing friends, let's be honest. Writing content sucks. So I'm going to make it a lot easier for you and a lot more effective. Here is my secret sauce to writing an effective 52-week content calendar. All right, you ready for this? 16-year SEO agency owner, never spent $1 on ads. And why? Because we've grown with my secret sauce to building an effective 52-week content calendar. So whether you're running an agency or whether you run a brick and mortar business, if you do SEO in any capacity, you know that content matters. So here's where people go wrong, is they don't map out a content calendar in advance. So that's why it matters to build out a 52-week content calendar, because let's face it, writing content sucks. It's hard. It takes time. So when you find the opportunity to sit down and write, you want to be able to have a home run and crank out a lot of content. So the secret sauce to building out a 52-week content calendar actually starts before you map out the topics. It starts with your keyword research. All right, I know keyword research is boring, but let me kind of cruise through that part and I'll explain why it's still important. The reason why keywords matter is because why are you writing content and why are you creating a content calendar? It's because you like money. And this content should serve a purpose of attracting the right buyer so you can increase that revenue. So you have to look at the keywords. What are people searching? And that's the first tip, is align your topic with buyer intent. Don't write SEO fluff. Don't write what you think they want to hear. Write what you know they want to hear. So for me, as an expert in SEO, I like really long-winded technical stuff. My audience probably really hate long-winded technical stuff. So you are so deep into your business and market that you have a different perspective than what your ideal buyer wants to hear about. So remove your emotions and align your topics with buyer intent. And that's going to start first with, where are their pain points? What are they already asking search engines? So there's a lot of great tools you can use. So one of them is answerthepublic.com. It's a free tool. They also have a paid version, but you go there and you type in whatever your keyword is, and it's going to say, here's the who, what, when, where, and why of what people are already asking about search engines. But Damon, you said keywords. Okay, so let's go before Answer the Public. There's lots of great tools, like a lot of you are going to be familiar with Keyword Planner from Google, but then there's also SpyFu, SPYFU.com. I always laugh when I have to say that. SpyFu.com. You can type in your competitors and it's going to show what they're targeting organically and paid. Now, whether you do paid or not, it's good to look at paid data, because if somebody's throwing money at it, they're probably getting a return on their investment. And you too should consider that word. So go through and use tools like that to find where the pain points are of what people are already searching in their queries and their keywords and their phrases. Then take that and go put it in something like Answer the Public. Now, here's one of the extra layers of secret sauce, because a lot of you may or may not be familiar with Answer the Public. So if you haven't got value out of this video yet, here's a new website I found. It's called alsoasked.com. It's very similar to Answer the Public, but I love it way more. And I've only known about it for about 2 weeks. And I like it because it does the same thing that Answer the Public does, where it says, here's what people are already asking. So then you can understand the who, what, when, where, and why of aligning your product and the problems it solves with the buyer intent of what the people need, want to buy your thing. But it goes way deeper. This tool goes way deeper than Answer the Public. It'll give you full sentences, and you can click on the full sentence, which is a query. Full sentence is what people have historically already asked. So there's the buyer demand. Go where the demand already is, and you can click on it and it'll drill down further and further and further. And it goes layers deep into different types of questions. So that is my secret sauce on how to build an effective 52-week content calendar. There you have it. Thank you for watching. I hope you make all the money in the world. That is how you create an effective 52-week content calendar. If you would like to learn more, don't forget to like and subscribe. And you can get more on that topic about building an effective 52-week content calendar in my book, which is available for free at freeseobook.com.